Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever thought about earning money online, perhaps while shopping? Daraz is a huge online marketplace, very popular across South Asia, featuring millions of products. Affiliate marketing simply means you promote someone else's product and then earn a small commission when it sells. So, Daraz affiliate marketing means you can actually earn commissions by helping people discover and buy products on their site, all through your unique referral links. So, how do you actually get started? The first step is to simply sign up for the Daraz affiliate program directly on their official website. Once your application is approved, you'll gain access to a special dashboard. Here, you can generate unique tracking links for almost any product available on Daraz. When someone clicks your link and then completes a purchase, Daraz automatically tracks that sale and credits your account with your commission. It's a very clear process. To truly succeed, focus on a specific niche. This helps you attract the right audience and create highly relevant content they'll appreciate. Think about products you genuinely use or topics you're passionate about and know a lot about. Creating engaging content, such as detailed product reviews or helpful comparisons within your niche, will naturally attract people already interested in those specific items. This approach makes your recommendations much more valuable. Once you have your links, it's time to promote them effectively. Share your unique Daraz links across various platforms, whether it's on social media, your blog, or even a YouTube channel. Always provide honest opinions and truly valuable information. Avoid just giving a sales pitch. Building trust with your audience is key. Engaging with your followers, answering their questions, and being genuinely helpful can significantly boost your conversion rates over time. For long-term success, consistency is absolutely crucial. Keep creating valuable content and promoting your links regularly. Also, make sure to regularly analyze your performance data. This helps you understand what's working best and where you might need to adjust your strategies for better results. Remember, building a steady income through affiliate marketing takes time and continuous effort, so stay patient and persistent in your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.